Looking for the best desktop CPU stand holder but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best desktop CPU stand holder based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. This computer tower stand is a real showstopper. The integrated charging station includes dual 120V outlets and dual USB ports, keeping all your devices charged and ready to go. I love how it doubles as a side table, offering additional power sources for your desk lamp or other devices. The adjustable height and 10 distinct settings make it perfect for office or home use. Whether you're a gamer or just need a convenient PC holder, this stand delivers. Number 4. If you've got a PC that's a bit bigger than average, this cart is a great solution. It's adjustable from 7.8 to 14 inches wide, making it suitable for most ATX cases. The high-grade steel material and powder-coated surface ensure durability and protection for your case. I appreciate how the lockable caster wheels keep the cart stationary when you need it to. It's perfect for gamers or anyone who needs a secure mobile PC holder. Number 3. This 6-level height adjustable PC stand is a beast. With a sturdy metal frame and solid construction, it can hold up to 88 pounds on the top shelf and 110 pounds on the bottom. I love how it can be used as a desk space extender, freeing up room for more equipment. Plus, the multifunctional design includes hooks, a pegboard, and even a waterproof mousepad. It's perfect for anyone who wants a space-saving solution with plenty of storage options. Number 2. This computer tower stand is all about stability and adjustability. The non-slip textured surface keeps your PC safe, and the adjustable width and length make it suitable for most desktop towers. I appreciate how it helps dissipate heat, keeping your computer cool and running smoothly. Whether you're a gamer or just need a convenient PC holder, this stand delivers. Number 1. Whether you've got a gaming setup or a home office, this adjustable CPU stand is a game changer. The protective railings on both sides give you peace of mind, and the 4 caster wheels make it a breeze to move around. I love how it can fit on any surface, even carpet. Perfect for anyone who needs to easily access the back of their PC case or just wants to keep their gaming accessories off the floor. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.